Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to reduce latency and Bluetooth earbuds. Bluetooth audio latency can use a noticeable delay between what you see on screen and what you hear through your earbuds. While some delay is normal with Bluetooth audio, several settings and optimization can help reduce it. Follow these steps to minimize latency and Bluetooth earbuds. To begin, fully charge your Bluetooth earbuds. Ensure your phone, tablet, or computer is updated to the latest software version or update if there is an available update. Update the earbuds firmware using the manufacturer's companion app if available. Disconnect any unused Bluetooth devices nearby. Move closer to the device connected to the earbuds. Turn off Wi-Fi or other wireless devices that are causing interference. Enable game mode, low latency mode, or similar feature if available. Close unnecessary apps running in the background. Use media apps that support low latency audio synchronization, like YouTube. Repair the earbuds by removing, unpairing, and reconnecting the Bluetooth connection. Test audio and video playback to check for improvements. If low latency is critical, use a wired connection or dedicated low latency wireless solution when possible. Some earbuds from brands such as Samsung Electronics, Sony Group Corporation, and Anchor Innovations offer dedicated low latency modes that can significantly reduce audio delay during gaming and video playback. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.